In this video, let's talk about how to use the PayPal debit card. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, in order to use the PayPal debit card, you need to first of all request and activate your card. If you already done that, you can skip it. But however, if this step is still pending, you need to first of all get your card and then you need to activate either using the mobile app of PayPal or through the online portal from the paypal.com/activate card. Once the card has been activated, you should be able to set up the 5% cashback category. So what you can do is you can select one shopping category each month to earn the 5% cashback on up to 1,000 of the total purchases. So what you'll be able to do is within the application or from the online portal as well, you can simply head over to your debit card dashboard and then you can select your preferred category for the month. As I said, you would be able to get the 5% cashback. Along with this, you will be able to use your debit card as a normal debit card across multiple ATMs as well as anywhere where MasterCard is accepted. So this is the exact thing that you can do or the exact benefit that you get with the PayPal debit card. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.